Fearless, unmistakable. The Green Ford GT40 2026. Forged in heritage, reborn in power. Where others were buried beneath steel and chaos, this machine stands untouched, unshaken, unmatched. Every curve carved with precision, every line shaped by speed, every detail engineered for supremacy. This is not just a car, it is a statement. A statement that power does not panic, precision does not hesitate, and legends do not fall. The metallic green body reflects the fading sun like armor polished for battle. The headlights ignite, sharp, focused, relentless. The engine breathes with controlled aggression, a mechanical heartbeat ready to conquer. Built with racing DNA, inspired by icons, engineered for the future. The Ford GT40 name carries history, victories, endurance, rebellion against limits. And in 2026, that spirit evolves. More refined, more advanced, more dominant than ever before. Carbon fiber strength, aerodynamic perfection. Raw performance balanced with intelligent control. This machine does not chase attention. It commands it. As it rolls forward from the smoke, it does not rush. It does not roar for approval. It moves with confidence. The confidence of something that knows it cannot be replaced. On this seaport track, where chaos just unfolded, only one symbol remains standing. Green, fearless, unstoppable. The Ford GT40 2026 is not here to compete. It is here to redefine. Because true power is revealed under pressure. True engineering rises after impact. And true legends emerge from the smoke. This is performance without apology. Design without compromise. Dominance without question. The future does not wait. It arrives. Ford GT40 2026. Born from legacy. Built for supremacy.